Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing well, and once again I am back. This is Nikita and this is my day 15 video of 75 days hard challenge of spoken English. Firstly, I telling to you all about I have completed my daily wise routine in 75 minutes. First of all, I completed 8 a.m. Learn 5 new words. Streak means धारी, dumbfounded हक्का बक्का, fortify मजबूत करना, conservancy संरक्षण and mop पोछा लगाना. This is new uh, word. And second, daily wise I read news and listen speaker speak, a good speaker speak. That is very helpful for your English conversation, English speaking. And today I also watching Discovery in English. Then 12:30 I joined live sessions, and also I learned some basic sentences related to conversation. First of all, क्या मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है? Am I audible? Am I audible? हाँ, आपकी आवाज़ आ रही है. Yes, you are audible. क्या मैं दिखाई दे रही हूँ? Am I visible? Am I visible? हाँ, आप दिखाई दे रही हैं. Yes, you are visible. मैं 4 घंटे से पढ़ाई कर सकता हूँ. I can study for 4 hours. वह अंग्रेजी के शब्दों को सही तरीके को उच्चारण करती हैं. She pronounces English words correctly. वह अंग्रेजी के शब्दों को सही तरीके से उच्चारण करती हैं. She pronounces English word correctly. This is some basic sentence I learn. You also use English conversation and talking. Okay, and I share you. This is my some sentence, and 4:30 I English conversation with my brother, and 5:30 I also watch English podcast on YouTube, and you know, I also conversation and motivational thought speak in the front of mirror. That is very important. And last I record this video. So thank you for watching my video.